you as taking over as acting mayor, allowed ka magkuan? For example, kani mga JOs, kani mga kuan.
I think so. I do not know yet. Wala pa mo kabalo sa intricacies aning kuan mahitabo sa situation. But I want to believe that this administration will allow Rodrigo Duterte to take the seat as mayor. It's to honor the will of the people.
That's why it makes you optimistic.
Yeah, that's why I don't think about kung unsa ba mauwi si bako, acting mayor bako, wala pa ko kabalo which is which. But kaniko, diri ko gusto nako nga si Rodrigo Duterte ang akong amahan may mulingkod nga pagkamayor diri sa Davao.
Mayor, ano ang alam mo, Mayor? Because VP Sara yesterday said that the Filipino lawyers is working out for President Duterte to to take oath as mayor ng Davao City. Ano yung alam mo? Kung meron bang Filipino lawyers o kung sino itong mga lawyers nito?
I think they will have to work with the international lawyers, the ICC lawyers. These Filipino lawyers will have to cooperate with the ICC lawyers because lahi they have, ICC has its own jurisdiction and they have their own rules and regulations, and we have to stitch that together so that it can happen. So, but I believe, one government, usa ka gobyerno, if it alam niyo yung storya na kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw may dahilan. Ana ra gyud na.
Pero ba'y nagtatrabaho talaga, Mayor, para makatulong?
Yes, of course. I believe so. We are working on it. I think the Vice President is working on it. But I cannot answer those questions because my main focus is Davao City. So mo na ako adari ako nabilin eh.
Mayor, kanina si Colonel Kamarantan had his exit call at the Davao City Council, and he said na naghahanap siya ng time para magkita kayo.
Yes, nagkita man ganyan. In fact, earlier today. Okay man. Actually, I'm not surprised kung what transpired during the elections because as I stated earlier, the administration is against us. This is very clear, no? Bago ra ganit minang tinubagay anak nila. But I think ang mga when Marantano was here, if he's still here, he did okay. He did everything that he could to be fair. So I wish him luck in his career and more power to him.
So, yung replacement niya, may had ka pa ba doon?
That's impossible. They will never allow it. Kung maalala nyo, last year, they changed 3 city directors in 2 days without my consultation. And under the law, the city mayor should, be allowed to choose kung sino yung city director niya. And probably that won't happen. Like I said, that is because of politics. And this administration is against our family name.
Meron siyang shortlist recommended na 3 tao.
I am not expecting it.
Pero pinakita niya sa inyo.
No. Wala. So, let them do whatever they want. At least, kita naman ng mga taga Davao, through the elections of what is happening here. Kasi if they succeeded in sabotaging my term as city mayor, edi sana nasa kanila yung boto, nasa kalaban, Nograles and the others. But the Davaoenos clearly manifested their what they want in the elections, and that is to continue this administration under Rodrigo Roa Duterte as mayor and me as the vice mayor of the city.
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.